Put oil in a pan on medium to low heat. Add onion, capsicum, chicken tikka and sausages and saute for 2 minutes. You can use boiled chicken also instead of chicken tikka. Now add soya sauce, vinegar, garlic powder, chicken powder, chili flakes and water. Saute it for more than 1 to 2 minutes. Now add oregano and just mix it. Add boiled spaghetti and mix with material. Now level the spaghetti in pan and spread cheese over it. Keep olives at the top and cover the pan on low heat for 3 minutes. Remove the lid and dish out. Spaghetti is ready. Serve it immediately.